Okay, in this tutorial, this is Trigonometry 3, I think. So we're going to look at what happens if the angle is coming from the other side on the same triangle. So we're using the same triangle as the last time, but we're just looking at the other angle apart from the 90 degree. This means that we've got different labels for the same sides on the opposite and the adjacent, which we're going to look at in a minute. So basically, like I said before, if you follow what I said before, you're looking at from the chosen angle. The chosen angle is 55 degrees, and we're looking that way, and you can see that's the most opposite one we can see. Okay? The other thing is, you've got this one here, that's still the longest diagonal, so that's still the H. So that's the H there, that's the opposite there, and that leaves only one left, and that's going to be the adjacent, which now we've fully identified what they're called, it should be fairly easy to be able to work it out again. Right, in this example, we're going to have 15 meters here, and we're going to find, in this example, we're going to find the opposite side. So let's put an X in there. So what is X, in other words? Right, so we know that X is the opposite. We've got no information at the moment, even though we worked it out earlier on, but we've got no information for the hypotenuse, so we can leave that out. So we're looking for something with an A and an O in. So let's have a look. It's not this one, because there's no A. There's no O in this one. So we're looking at Toa. Toa is our chosen triangle from the Sokotoa mountain range. Okay, so we're going to use the Toa triangle to solve this problem. So let's rearrange it to get it to do what we want it to do. The first thing we're going to do, we want the O. So the O is T times A, which sounds very straightforward actually. So X equals O equals T times A. Let's expand that now. So X equals T times A. So that's T is tan 55 times the adjacent now, which is now 15 meters. Okay, so we're nearly there. All we need to do now is find a calculator. So I'm going to go and calculate that now. So tan 55 equals 1.43, and then we multiply that by 15, which is the adjacent, and we end up with X, the opposite, is 21.42 meters, which is roughly the right answer with rounding.